Okay, so you just watched this segment called Shape of the Drop, and now we got one with a little more clever title for you. This is going to be called Dragging Water Around a Little Bit. Okay, so dragging water. And what we're going to use for this is some water, and I've put some cellulose, which is a long word for wood toothpicks, in the water, so the water's soaking, and I still have my pipette, and I'm going to put some drops of water on the wax paper, and we're going to see, we're going to try to observe some of the characteristics of water. Okay, I like this, and I hope that it will impress you and that you'll start to see something, because in Shape of the Drops we saw that water on glass behaves very differently from water on wax paper. Okay, and it was almost like there was some force pulling it down onto the glass, and that force wasn't pulling it down on wax paper. So we know it wouldn't have been gravity. Right? There was no difference in gravity from one drop to the other. Okay, so let me get started on this. So what we've got here is some wax paper, and we have some drops of water. Okay, so we've got a bunch of drops of water on here. And I have a wet toothpick. And so what I'm going to do for your viewing pleasure is I'm going to touch this drop over here with the wet toothpick, and then look at that, I can drag it. And then it comes right next to this other one. Watch how well, I don't want to give it away, but they're going to sort of jump together. Okay, see that? I'm going to drag this one if I can. It's kind of big and heavy. But I'm going to drag it around, and there they go. You see them jump together. And then this one. Okay, it's like there's some force holding the water together, right? Look at this. Dragging it around. It's also holding it to the toothpick. Oop, those jump together. Oh, that one's up. I thought it was a little too heavy to drag around. Okay, there we go. More. And if you have wax paper and a wooden toothpick, you can do this too. Oh, busted that one off. Okay, there we go. All right. So you've probably never seen this before, but it is, not... I think it's really cool. Sorry if you're getting bored. I wish you could play. The plan was to have you here doing this. Okay, so what do we got? There's some force, right? There's some force of which you've been unaware your whole life that's going on here, right? You can see that water is pulled together into piles. And you can see that when they get close to each other, they jump together. And you can also see that the wood, which I soaked in water, right? I soaked those toothpicks in water, also acts like it's attracted to the water. At least the water is attracted to the wood enough so that we can pull the drops around. Okay, so this is dragging water.